Um, Hello everyone. So today I'm just going to explain to you how to install fresh React app using what was the tool? Or using vite. So I'm using it's called Fluent Terminal. So let's read it short. Okay, so I just do npm create. It's like create React app, but what we write is create vite at latest, then enter. Takes a little bit of time to charge, but let's wait on it. Ask me for a project name. You can't really see it, but it says vite project. Okay. Yeah, vite project, you see. It's a React app, but you could choose anything in that list, so I just use React, then just JavaScript plus SWC. Alright, it was actually created, but I have no idea where it went, so I have to, if I do ls, yeah, actually first we have to change directory, so what I'm gonna do is change directory to desktop. And here I just run the same command npm create vite at latest. Yeah, now I have to create another name and everything. Yeah, so project name, for the project name, let's say the same. I'll choose React, JavaScript, and as you see, the project is here. And to actually run it and see what's going on, I have to change directory into that folder. So vite project, change directory, vite project, and I just do npm run dev. It says vite is not recognized. What is the problem? Maybe it's, yeah, I have to do npm install first. Actually, you could see it's telling you change directory, then npm install to install node modules. Then you just do npm run dev. It's actually charging. It takes a little bit of time. Let's wait it. Actually, this will be my first YouTube video as well. I'm going to be making more projects and more tutorials and little stuff, experiences, share with you every kind of bugs literally I encounter as long as I'm doing projects and I'm growing this channel video by video. It's just a little thing. It's just to share experiences and share knowledge. Actually, I just started my journey like a year ago. Well, a year and 2 months ago, and yeah, I intend to share with you my experience from now till I get my first job and be a front end or a back end. I learned both actually, React and Laravel. Uh, yeah, so let's just